अरे यार सांस फूल रही है.
दूसरा हुआ.
Good morning Zen Plus team. My name is Mayank Patel. I am 22-year old. I am from Fatehpur. अरे यार.
Later.
Good morning Zen Plus team. My name is Mayank Patel. I am 22-year old. I am from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. Currently I am pursuing my PGDM from Asian Business School, Noida. Prior to this, I have done my Bachelor Degree with Mathematics from Allahabad State University. During my bachelor's, I have also done Fundamentals of Sports Marketing from IPL team Rajasthan Royals. I am a keen learner and very enthusiastic and determinant person, which helps me in study and also connected with my society members. I am always ready to face new challenges and try new things which enhance my skills. And my hobbies are playing cricket, making content and video editing. Thank you. That's all about myself.